What's up, guys? Yeah, this is what's up. Since these videos are popular, I'm gonna show what I got today. Let's see.
Ever boyfriend ever.
Wow, what is this?
No, please. You work so hard all day. I want you to feel like a queen. Allow me.
I can do it myself.
Oh, please. Look, I know we're all equal here on this earth. History is her story, too. Oh, no. Allow me to see.
Here's my first one.
What the fuck are you doing?
This is metallic. Supersonic blue, metallic blue fidget spinner.
Everyone for that.
Are you serious? Yeah. Wow. I know, right? Right? What do you think, Barry?
Yeah, what?
Are you even listening? Lisa, Carrie, bro. You never listen to anything.
Fine. You know I don't listen? Because it's totally useless and stupid.
My
subject.
double-sided
Who cares if Lisa can't
golden
make coffee
fidget
pods at
spinner.
home, so she has to go get coffee, which adds 20 minutes to her already very, very long commute when she would normally do her makeup.
Okay. So what do you think is more important?
Choosing which faction to side with in Fallout. It's pretty important.
I got a fidget cube. Is this for anything for fidget?
We're official.
Is this?
What's wrong, BB?
Maybe we should try something different in the bedroom. You know, change things up.
Got it.
What the hell is this?
I thought that you wanted to change something in the bedroom, BB. Oh, she meant like change the sheets. Got it. No, I love you more.
So why did you break up with Kyle?
This is
He's
it.
just a lazy slob with no sense of humor.
And here's my glow in
And he
the
just kept mooching
dark.
off of me.
Brittany? Is that you?
Kyle?
Hey, look, I guess I should tell you that you breaking up with me was the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. It really made me reevaluate my life and get my ass in gear.
That's great.
Yeah,
And-
and all culminated in...
Ta-da! My new fidget spinner.
She just got her PhD and she's also a supermodel. It's great. And
Oh no, it's not my
God.
fidget spinner.
wow, look at that! I just won the lottery. Oh my God! Life is good. Go, Kyle.
I'm opening it.
God.
You just want to stay in and watch Netflix for our anniversary?
Okay.
Babe, how are the pancakes coming along?
Oh
Need some help?
no! I lost it. No, where is
Ever
it?
since we moved in together, you're always up in my business.
I barely touched your shoulder.
Hey, I need my space.
Is this better?
What?
I'll come closer.
No, too close. Just text me whatever you want to say, but don't expect a quick response because you'll just come up kind of needy.
What?
Why would I get you flowers? Those will just die.
Happy 2-year anniversary, babe.
Thanks, babe.
So I thought it'd be fun if we went over all the things we loved about each other. I'll go first. I love your smile. I love that you're thoughtful. I love that you take care of your body. I love that you make me feel safe. I love that you always listen to everything I have to say. And we go together like a cute puppy puzzle.
That's all I'm gonna show you today.
You're hot.
Every boyfriend ever. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Click the video on the left to watch bloopers from this episode.
See you guys. Let's see you in the next video. Yeah, the next video. Yeah. And hopefully I grew up to 10 subscribers.